Okay, YouTube. Once again, I'm making another video, and this time it's going to be on a Volkswagen Passat 2006 Passat. And what we're experiencing with this car is we have a situation where we have this ugly, nasty looking brown gook, whatever you want to call it, because no one knows what it is until you figure it out, fluid pouring out of the overflow container. The bucket right here. See that? This is my antifreeze overflow container. Can you believe that? Get a good shot of that. See that? Okay, and this is what the fluid looked like mixed. See? Antifreeze and oil. So as I come back to the vehicle, first thing I did is unhook the hoses. Look down in there, same problem. And you come across here to the top radiator hose. I tucked that down there. Anyway, same problem. So, make a long story short, on a 2006 Passat, this is your transmission intercooler. And as you can see, inside of there does not look like clear transmission fluid. We can look all the way down in there. And on this side, it does not look too good down in there. Okay, so you see that fluid? That fluid is brown, black, white. And if you look inside this tube, it looks like there's a little rust forming in there. So the problem that this vehicle has is it is low pressure on the transmission, so it's hard to shift into gears and get off the line and start off, and then your transmission light goes in limp mode and keeps you from driving at higher speeds than 30, 20, 30, 40 miles an hour. So anyway, the first thing that I'm going to do is replace the radiator and replace this transmission intercooler. Now, I believe the problem lies inside of this intercooler, but it's so much stuff down inside this radiator. When you flush the system, I think the best thing to do is to change both of those. I've already flushed out the transmission screen, transmission pan, etc. Cleaned all that out, and it wasn't looking too good inside of there either. But nevertheless, it's been done. We're going to try to go with it to salvage something out of this, and we're going to go from there. The only other problem I had was down in here. I saw a similar cooler right there. See the silver one down in there? And the lines running to it right there. Well, those aren't transmission lines. Those are antifreeze lines, so we may be okay in there if we just take the one side off and blow it out and let everything come out of that one, because there's a lot of stuff needs to come off to get to that one. But we're going to bypass that for now. We can always come back and flush out everything again and replace that, but we want to see if this transmission cooler has failed inside and causing the oil and transmission fluid to mix. Now, these transmission coolers that you're looking at now are aluminum, so over the years, when you change your antifreeze, you really need to put back in this car what the dealer required you to put in there, because depending on your state, some of the water will basically eat the inside of that thing alive. or if the car hasn't driven for a while and the water stays in there. So it's just like a heater core box. It's really no different. It does the same thing. It clogs up, water and stuff, and mixes, antifreeze and oil mixes all together and creates the worst problem you ever want to see in your life. This vehicle only has 60,000 miles, and hopefully this fixes the problem. But nevertheless, I'm going to shoot another video and letting you know exactly what the outcome was. But I just wanted you to see the color of what comes out of the transmission cooler. It used to be red or golden color. I forgot which fluid color this is for the Passat. I know about the Audi, but the Passat I'm not sure. But nevertheless, we all know it's not brown. And see, there it is dripping out of there now. So that is really a disaster. So we're going to just take that first step there, and I just wanted you guys to know that you probably can end up doing the same thing. Let's see if I can get down in there. Can I show you anything? There we go. Down. Oh, sorry. It's upside down, so you got to excuse me. But that's it there. Inside the top part of the radiator. So that's the best I can show you now. And when I get some more results, I hope it's very helpful. Alright. So stay tuned.